For making the knot tension hitch, we need a carabiner, a rope, and an object where to put the knot. We start by putting around the object 10 times the rope. This is a little bit slow to do, but it is a crucial part of the knot. So now we have the loops. This is the standing part where there will be the load. Instead, this is the running hand. We take our rope and we are going to create a figure eight, a double figure eight. We take the bight, we go around over the standing part, around it, and back inside the first loop like this. By doing that, we pull, we have to make the right dressing of the knot, and we end by putting the carabiner, the knot in the carabiner, and also the standing part. So what we have now? We have the standing part with the load. If it goes under tension, as you can see, the loops start to make some force over the object, but just the first of them. These instead are quite loose. What does it mean? This means that the carabiner will be free to use. What does it mean? If we want, after there is no more loading, we can pull it off very quickly and easy, because all the pressure will be on these loops, not this on this knot. The carabiner has also a function of security, because if the load is very heavy, the loops will start to slip and the carabiner will to stop on the object. In this case, this object is too small, because as you can see, if the carabiner hurts like this, it can be broken. So usually this knot is used around some cylinders, like a big tree or something like that.